Hello all, Namaste. I am Dr. Anamika Yadav and I am working as a pain specialist in CK Birla Hospital, Sector 51, Gurgaon. And today I'll be talking about a very common and बहुत परेशानी देने वाली problem, which is your knee pain. So knee pain के there are various causes. Knee is composed of knee joint is composed of two bones, like you have your femur. ऊपर आपका एक bone है, नीचे एक bone है. Between there is a cartilage which acts as a cushion. So what happens is when there is an old age, then there is wear and tear which is happening, जिसकी वजह से जो नॉर्मल फ्लूइड बनना चाहिए था वो ज़्यादा बनने लगता है एंड कार्टिलेज वेयर एंड टेयर होने की वजह से द बोन स्टार्टेड रबिंग विद ईच अदर. That leads to a lot of pain. So it is one of the most debilitating condition nowadays in old age. So because of the knee pain, there will be lot of stiffness, there will be a lot of pain, there will be a lot of swelling. So the treatments usually we start is by drug therapy. ड्रग थेरेपी, मिनिमल पेन किलर्स अकॉर्डिंग टू द कंडीशन यू हैव. अगर आपको कोई किडनी प्रॉब्लम है तो किडनी सेफ मेडिकेशंस दी जाएंगी. अगर कोई लिवर प्रॉब्लम है तो लिवर सेफ मेडिकेशंस दी जाएंगी. ऑल्सो थोड़ा सा आइस या फिर होल्ड फोमेंटेशन थेरेपी जो हम करते हैं या उसके ऊपर लोकल एप्लीकेशन थेरेपी. इनिशियली हम ड्रग्स ऐसे देते हैं आपको अकॉर्डिंग टू योर कंडीशन. If this is not working, we can opt for physiotherapy initially and your muscle strengthening exercises, because if the muscles around the joint are strong, they hold the joint in proper place and excessive mobility of the bones rubbing on each other is decreased, because of which there is less pain, less swelling and less stiffness. So rehabilitation is what we are aiming for. Once the joint gets destroyed, it's difficult to get it back to its normal stage. We all know that. लेकिन there are options that we all say that अगर knee में problem आ गया, arthritis आ गया, then we have to go for surgery. But this is not definite. We can delay surgery as long as possible because nobody likes to go under the knife in first place. So I think first we should start with drug therapy, rehabilitation exercises, fomentation techniques. And then there are other options like we can give local anesthetic injections and ozone therapy. I mean, we can inject ozone in your knee. That also relieves the pain for some time, and that time we buy so that you can do exercises and strengthen your knee, and then you can exercise and build up the muscles around, and that decreases the pain and delays the process of osteoarthritis. Also, there are options. There are cases when a patient doesn't want to go for surgery, knee replacement surgery, or there are cases which there are patients who are not ready, or they want to delay the surgery, or there is a case when the patient is not fit for surgery, has a very severe lung disorder or very severe heart problem. In those cases, it is not. There is an option of opting for radio frequency ablation of the genicular nerves. So these genicular nerves which are present around your knee, they travel the signals of pain from your knee, and they travel and take them to your brain, and this is how you perceive it as pain. So what we do is under CM guidance or ultrasound in OT, of course, under proper monitoring, we just ablate those nerves with a radio frequency energy. So if we burn those nerves around, it is not a painful process because we do this under the local anesthetic. So once these are burnt, they will not let the signal of pain go from your knee to your brain. So you don't feel much pain, and you can go on with your life comfortably, and then you can do exercises and hot fomentation and some drug therapy on and off, and then you can make your knee better, and then it provides a good pain relief to the patients. So there are lots and lots of treatment options which are non-surgical that you can opt for your osteoarthritis knee pain. If you are suffering from such conditions, you can come visit CK Birla Hospital. My OPD time is 6 PM to 8 PM every day except Sundays. Thank you.